Muling tiniyak ni Pangulong Duterte ang pag-iral ng malinis na pamahalaan. Sa kanyang pagsasalita sa ika-50 anibersaryo ng Asian Development Bank o ADB, sinabi ng Pangulo na titiyakin niyang walang korupsyon po sa ilalim po ng kanyang panunungkulan. Kaya makakaasa mga ito na magagamit sa tama ang inaantabayanan pong mahigit na 4 na bilyong dolyar na loan ng Pilipinas na makatutulong po yan upang maresolba ang problema ng kahirapan sa bansa.
Double its effort to foster economic growth and reduce poverty. In line with this, government is pushing for a simpler, fairer, and more efficient tax collection in lower rates and a broader base. We are also working on increasing infrastructure spending to 7.4% of the GDP by 2022. Government will also solicit the participation of private partners in certain aspects of our infrastructure development initiatives. We will also be funding free irrigation, free education, state universities and colleges, and universal health care. Together with the local governments, we are also streamlining business registration and processes, providing support for targeted sectors, and intensifying the war against illegal drugs, criminality, and corruption.